The host has started broadcasting.
Speech muted. Okay, I was hearing a bunch of background noise. All right, good morning. This is Judge Alyssa Perez, presiding over the 210th District Court Civil Docket for January 21st, 2026. All matters being heard today are being heard in accordance with all directives regarding remote proceedings. In addition to that, we are streaming all matters live via YouTube for public viewing. I'll go ahead and call the first case. This is 2025 DCV 1391, Rosemary Weaver versus Trevor Williams et al. May I have announcements, please?
Christine Needler for the defendants, River Oaks and Trevor Williams. And I'm sorry about the background noise. My screen reader was talking, but I turned my speech off, so it shouldn't be a problem now.
Oh, no worries. I thought it was Mr. Nanez, so I muted him. Okay, in any event, I don't see, is there anyone in the waiting room? I know we have reset this at least once. Mr. Aranda withdrew, and we have been attempting to get Miss Weaver here before I decide to dismiss. We are at a dismissal hearing. Ms. Needler, can you refresh my memory? I have a notation here that we sent a notice. Did you also send notice to Ms. Weaver by any chance?
So her prior counsel did. When they withdrew, you required her prior counsel to, and she never responded. We set it for a dismissal hearing. I think we've actually had 2 dismissal hearings before this, and the court has resent her notice, and she still hasn't appeared.
Right. Have we had any contact, Ms. Hernandez or Mr. Nanez, from Ms. Weaver?
Just Mike McLean.
I think, let me go ahead and put Mr. McLean.
No, ma'am.
I think if I remember correctly, I thought we had gotten a phone call, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm getting confused.
No, Judge, there's been no communication, just the mailing that I did from the court.
Okay. All righty. Mr. Nanez, have we had any contact from Ms. Weaver?
No, ma'am. I have not had any contact with her at all.
Okay. All right, Ms. Needler, then we are set for dismissal. The case is being dismissed for want of prosecution.
Thank you,
very
Honor.
much for appearing. Take care.
Do I need to get you a proposed order for that dismissal?
If you could, please, that would be very helpful.
Okay, I sent one last month to your court coordinator, Myrna. Do I need to resend it?
No, I should have that. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much. You
Have
are
a great day.
Take care. All right, who's next?
Judge, on page 1, calling cause number 2024 DCV 3836, Barbara Portillo versus Slaina Ortiz.
May I have
Announcements,
please?
Yes, Your Honor. Privileged and honored to be in front of you. Jonathan H. Huerta, Your Honor, for Barbara Portillo. Ready to proceed, Judge.
Your Honor, Mark Chisholm for defendant Slaina Ortiz.
Okay, and I thought this was Mr. Castañon's motion to withdraw. Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, just a brief 10-second background. I had farmed out some personal injury cases of mine. Mr. Castañon, Mr. Dominguez were kind enough to take it and enter as first chair, but they'll be withdrawing. So, I'm contractually bound to Ms. Portillo, so I'll be either resubmitting a substitution to counsel or carrying on for this, Judge. But I have spoken with counsel, and with his permission, we're going to likely come to an agreement today, Judge.
Okay, well, that's fine. We'll go ahead and remove Mr. Castañon, put you back, Mr. Huerta, as counsel designation, motion to withdraw.
I'll resubmit, Judge.
I have a final civil pretrial with a trial date in April. So you're for my purposes, the scheduling order, in place still has you at a mediation deadline of March 17th.
Yes, Your Honor.
So I'll be checking in with you on the 18th and see if we have this closed out or not. But just be aware your trial setting is still in April, okay?
With all due haste, Judge, we'll have this resolved, Your Honor.
Mr. Chisholm, anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you very much for your time. Thank you, Mr. Huerta. If you don't have anything else, you're excused.
Thank you, Judge. You have a blessed day. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chisholm.
Take care.
Take
And
care.
if there's I think we had an order, Myrna, on the motion to withdraw, so I'll sign off on that. All right, who's next?
Judge, on page 2, calling cause number 2023 DCV 3903, Elizabeth Quintana et al. versus Pantusa Towing and Recovery LLC et al. Announcements, please.
Carlos
Andrew
Leon for the
Armijo?
intervener. Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're good, Carlos.
Carlos Leon for the intervener.
Andrew Armijo for Daniel Alamos Aguirre.
Josh Biganowski on behalf of intervener John Gardner.
Russell Murray on behalf of Belinda Luke.
Good
Charles
morning.
Grimman on behalf of Omar Ronquillo.
Omar Silva for intervener Martin Torres.
Carolyn Ronhell for defendant Pantusa Towing DFW.
Mike McLean for the defendant Zubia.
Your Honor, Angelica Carrion on behalf of the minor child, but I don't know if I'm still needed at this point with the entering of the intervener.
Okay, okay. Thank you, everyone. I feel like I haven't seen you all in a long time. When I heard Pantusa Towing, I thought, it's been a minute. So who's going to give me an update? We're set for a status conference.
I can give you an update, Your Honor.
All right, Mr.
We've been working on scheduling the deposition of Pantusa DFW. We had it scheduled off the top of my head, I believe it was in November. Unfortunately, we had to continue that. Our deponent had some emergency, so we bumped it. Right now, the parties are tentatively holding February 26th for that deposition. I know we do have docket call this November. This is one of our big depositions we need to get out of the way, and from there, I think there's just a few more we need to probably schedule. But I know we're running out of time to get to November, but unfortunately, with I want to say 7 or 8 plaintiffs, scheduling has been a nightmare.
Okay, all right. So, Vali, I don't have you all coming back until September. Ms. Carrion, will you tell me a little bit? Intervener, where's my intervener? Mr. Leon?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me a little bit about that situation? Ms.
No.
Carrion?
Yeah, and I concur with Andrew. I mean, we're kind of pulling the same rope. So I think we're all kind of waiting to have this deposition. But yeah, I don't really have anything much more to add than what Mr. Armijo did.
Your Honor, may I speak?
Yes, ma'am.
I represent Pantusa Towing DFW, and with regard to the ad litem, the portion of the case with the 2 minor plaintiffs is settled, and that was I'm looking for the word. There's another. We put that into another cause number so we could get the final judgment entered. So those.
I'm just seeing a cause number here, and that's what I would when I heard Ms. Carrion mention that I was searching the events for some type of friendly suit, but
it happened at the end of 2024, if I remember correctly.
Ms. Carrion, do you have the cause number? Is it 2024 DCV 3846?
Let me confirm.
Yes, I think that's it.
I believe so.
Okay. So with that, I think you're correct, Ms. Carrion. I think you are under the 2024 DCV 3846 cause number. So I think that takes care of the ad litem for the matters that were related to this case.
Okay, and so then,
if somebody thinks differently or figures out something was left outstanding, please let me know sooner than later. But I think you're correct on that, Ms. Carrion. Yes.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Then I will exit and wish you all well.
Take care. Thanks.
You too.
So it doesn't make me nervous to leave you all until your final status in September, because I know you all will be working on everything. But I think unless I hear any further update, I don't know, Mr. McLean or anyone else, if you have anything else to add, I mean, I will see you in September with the little caveat that if something comes up and you need a hearing, please file your pleading, make your request with the court, and we'll see you before then. So,
Your Honor, I don't know. I may still need to formally enter my substitution for Mr. Zubia. I think I also There are two other subrogation claims against him, I think, as well as Pantusa, from insurance carriers for property damage.
Okay.
On one of them, I've got the other lawyer to agree to consolidate into this case. On the other one, the lawyers that were representing Zubia, I don't believe have gotten an order of withdrawal yet. So I may just have to get a motion to substitute for that. And I'm assuming the other attorney will be agreeable to a consolidation as well. It's the same facts, same accident. And so you may see those pleadings coming across.
Okay, I imagine we should. I don't see you on the entries here, just quickly looking at the parties not listed. So, is it helpful at all? I hate to take up time for hearings if you all can just get things done. But is it helpful for anyone to have a status, say, in 45 days? I'm not inclined to do that unless someone's really requesting it.
If I have any issues with the consolidation, I'll ask to have it set for a hearing.
Yes, sir. Anyone else? Thank you, Mr. McLean. Anyone else?
Your Honor, Russell Murray on behalf of Belinda Luke. Mr. McElroy was lead counsel for Ms. Luke. He has left our firm as of last week. I will double check to make sure that we have filed the appropriate motion to substitute.
I know I signed one. I don't recall it being in this case, but let me do a quick search. I want to say it was like 2 days ago. Give me a second.
There have been quite a few we've sent out. I'm not sure.
Yeah,
This one has been sent out though.
It might be. Yes, I signed the Quintana one. Is that right? Hold on a second. Yeah, we might need to double check because this email is from back in November.
No, it would have been in the last week or two, Your Honor.
Yeah, no, I don't see that, but I could be wrong.
I'll make sure that my office gets it filed.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Anything else?
Judge, before we get off the record, I did not clarify that I represent the intervener Antonio Dominguez. I know there's lots of interveners in this, so I just wanted to make sure the record was clear.
Thank you. All right. Anything else? All right, folks, thank you very much. We'll see you in September on this case, unless I hear from you. We'll see you sooner than that. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a
Thank
good
you, Your Honor.
Take
Thank
care.
you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bye-bye. All right, who's next? If you're speaking, Mr. Nanez, I'm not hearing you.
Sorry, Judge. When Mr. Mr. Dominguez is here, we already heard his case. He was here on page
Mr. Dominguez, Mr.
1.
Huerta appeared.
Yes, Your Honor, I apologize.
No worries, don't need to apologize. I just wanted to make sure primarily that Mr. Huerta was here, although I know it was Mr. Castañon's motion to withdraw. That's
Yes,
been
ma'am.
granted and he's taking over. So thank you for appearing.
Thank you, ma'am. May I be excused?
You may. Have a good day.
Again, I apologize for the late appearance.
No worries. Thank you. All right. Where are we headed now, Mr. Nanez?
Page 2, Judge.
Uh-huh.
Calling cause number 2023 DCV 3573 Jesus Gabriel Becerra versus True Hotel Partners LLC et al. Announcements, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Russell Murray on behalf of plaintiff, filling in for Jeff McElroy.
Morning, Your Honor. Gilbert Sanchez on behalf of the defendant.
Alrighty, and we are set for summary judgment. This is one where, coming back from a holiday after a new year, everything's I am finding today is kind of getting jumbled in my memory banks. So I feel like there was a request here to continue the summary judgment. Is that what it was?
Yes, Your Honor. We filed a motion for continuance. As you know, or as I've advised in the previous case, Mr. McElroy has left our firm. He was the only attorney in our firm who handled employment cases. Those are by far outside of the wheelhouse of Rob and myself. So we spoke to the client. He's not opposed to our motion to withdraw. He agrees to it. I confirmed this morning, so he'll sign off on the order.
Okay.
I did speak to Mr. Sanchez earlier about possible resolution of the claim to avoid the need to withdraw and to get closure to this claim. I think Mr. Sanchez was going to talk to his client and see if that's something that's feasible or not.
Hey, we're set for jury trial on Friday? What? Okay. Okay. So the agreed motion for continuance, I see it. I get it. And that the only thing and the reason I asked that you all appear is because of all our new rules about summary judgments. I wanted to make sure it was withdrawn. So if you have that proposed order, Mr. Murray, with your client's agreement, just send it over and I'll sign off on it. We'll get you all reset. Tell me what you want. Do you want like a scheduling status in like 45 days or do you want something else?
I think a scheduling status in 45 days is good. That gives me an opportunity to work with Mr. Russell. I'm sorry, with Mr. Murray to see if we can get it resolved. If not, then we probably need to have it back on track and have the MSJ heard. There's a pending motion to compel discovery that needs to be heard as well. But either way, this case will not be ready to be tried because there's still a lot to do. So
Okay, perfect. So we'll cancel out Friday, which is good, and then get you all reset. I'll tell you if it comes to the point, I'll set you for a scheduling status conference. If we are moving forward to a trial, if you all can confer and maybe check with the court about a trial date whenever you all are thinking you want it, and which will be for sure the end of 2026, maybe 2027. We can expedite things. In other words, we can have our order entered that day and we can just start moving. Not to be a Debbie Downer that you all can't resolve things, but in the event, okay?
And Judge, I thank you very much for your consideration. I do want, though, since Mr. Sanchez, I think him and I are going to try to resolve this claim. I want to make sure we're all on the same page. I won't submit an order to the court granting the withdrawal until I can confirm with Mr. Sanchez whether or not we can resolve the claim.
Of the motion for summary judgment, is that what you're telling me?
No, withdrawal as counsel.
Oh, okay. I gotcha. Okay. Understood.
So I think if the court's agreeable, Mr. Sanchez and I should be able, or rather, I will know whether I need to submit that by the end of next week.
Okay. Are you telling me you want to come back sooner?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. 45 days it is then, scheduling status conference.
Wonderful.
Okay. All righty. Good luck, gentlemen. If you don't have anything else, you all are excused.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Take care. All right. Who's next?
Judge, I'm waiting for Mr. De Silvas to log on. Are you there, Mr. De Silvas? There you go. I'm calling cause number on page 3, calling cause number 2025 DCV 2037. Angeline Macayala Harpoon versus Transportadora del Norte de Chihuahua S.A. de CV et al. Announcements, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Pooja Tiwari for plaintiff.
And just to be clear, the cause number is 2036, ending 20. That's okay. Scheduling status conference. I know that's not Mr. De Sola, that's Mr. Almanzan.
He's muted.
He's muted, so we don't have the benefit of your wonderful Spanish speaking ability.
Okay. So sorry about that, Your Honor. This is Andres Almanzan, appearing on behalf of defendant Transportadora Norte de Chihuahua.
All right, so this is a reset of a scheduling status conference. Are we ready to get a trial date?
Judge, at the last status conference, we raised the fact that we had filed a special appearance, and we were waiting to see if the plaintiff was going to acknowledge that or whether they needed to dispute that or have a hearing on that. And I believe that the court's guidance at the last status conference was for the parties, if they were going to dispute the special appearance, to have a set-aside hearing on the special appearance. And so I think we need to do that, Judge.
Okay. Ms.
Your
Moore, go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor. We will get the response, our response to the special appearance, to defendant's special appearance filed today, and we will notice it for a hearing.
Okay. So that's where we're headed next. I can tell you with that response file, generally, if you're going to do it today, then if there is any written reply, Mr. Almanzan, that you want to file.
Yeah, we will definitely be replying, Your Honor.
Okay, we will have a hearing on it. What I'm going to tell you though is that we will be in trial easily for the next, all of next week.
Okay.
And so we're probably
I'm out
looking at
next
a
week
hearing.
anyway, Judge, so you know.
We're looking at the soonest probably 3 weeks out. So
in February. Okay.
I really don't want, I want to close the written, the window for written replies, responses to that reply by Mr. Almanza and Ms. Tawari. And then after that, we'll just have our hearing. It's just gonna give me a second. We're in a little bit of a transition. I haven't really said this, but Ms. Hernandez is retiring on the 30th. And we'll be in the middle or towards the end of a trial and probably going right into another one. And so I guess what I'm saying is bear with me. And so I'm saying 3 weeks, but we'll as soon as we receive Ms. Tawari's response to the special appearance, we can go ahead and set it, Ms. Hernandez, understanding it's about a 3-week window. And Mr. Almanzan, if you have a reply to that, absolutely, we'll take it. But after that, we'll just hear it on the record.
Okay, Your Honor. And congratulations, Ms. Mirna. That's wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
You will be missed.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely in denial. I think this is the first time I've actually said it. And like, yeah, that's okay. So we'll go from there and we'll get you your setting as soon as we get your pleading, okay?
Yes, thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
All right, who's next?
Judge, I have nothing else ready for you. I've contacted Mr.
Oh, I didn't see Miss Nieto was there. All right. Well, let's go ahead and get off of YouTube and